Welcome to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, a city of art, beauty, and timeless charm. Close your eyes and imagine the gentle morning sun warming the city as we begin our peaceful journey. Let the serene ambience of Florence at sunrise envelop you. In the heart of Florence stands the Duomo, a breathtaking feat of architecture. Its red dome, crafted by Brunelleschi, rises boldly against the sky. Picture the smooth marble beneath your fingertips and hear the faint echo of footsteps across the piazza as history surrounds you. The Piazza del Duomo is alive with the whispers of the past, inviting you to explore its timeless beauty. Let's wander to the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's oldest bridge. Its vibrant little shops have overlooked the Arno River for centuries. Imagine strolling past the sparkling windows, the warmth of the setting sun painting the bridge in soft golden hues. The golden hour here is truly magical, casting a serene glow over the historic structure. Inside the Uffizi gallery, you'll find treasures of the Renaissance. Gaze upon Botticelli's The Birth of Venus, where every delicate brushstroke whispers of grace. Leonardo da Vinci's Annunciation draws you into a world of serenity and wonder. Each piece tells a story that transcends time, inviting you to explore deeper. Now let's escape to the Boboli Gardens, a haven of peace and beauty. Wander past Roman statues, along shaded paths, and feel the cool breeze. The gentle rustle of leaves and the trickle of fountains calm your mind, as if the gardens are breathing life into you. Take a moment to breathe deeply and let the serenity wash over you. Florence's markets are alive with charm and tradition. Picture yourself exploring stalls filled with vibrant fruits, handmade leather bags, and the scent of freshly baked bread. Listen to the faint hum of conversation, the rustle of paper. Every detail feels intimate and authentic. It is a sensory delight, a true Florentine experience. As the sun sets, let's journey to Piazzale Michelangelo. From here, Florence unfolds in all its glory. The Duomo, the Arno River, and the rooftops, all bathed in warm light. Breathe deeply and let this view fill you with a sense of peace and wonder. Take a moment to absorb the beauty and tranquility of this magical place. The day fades into night, and Florence glows in quiet elegance. The city rests, as do you. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful journey through Florence. May its beauty linger in your heart, and may you find calm wherever you are. Until next time, sleep well and dream of Florence.